How to add Shopify products from Aliexpress for dropshipping. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how you can add products to your Shopify store directly from Aliexpress as your dropshipping partner. So let's get into it. Now, dropshipping is a super popular business method, and I would still recommend dropshipping as one of the best ways for you to make money without having to, try out a super difficult to integrate market, because with dropshipping, you can see the products that are popular. You can just integrate those into your store and then begin selling them. And it's rather easy to do on Shopify. Plus, I recommend Shopify because Shopify is probably one of the best e-commerce store builders out there. So if your main focus is e-com and you want to, build your store, then Shopify, although it might seem a bit difficult at first, allows you to manage your inventories and has so many different integrations available. So let's get into importing products from AliExpress to our Shopify store. Now, I am on the dashboard of my Shopify store. I have already created my Shopify store. It's very easy. All you have to do is sign up via your email address. You get a 2-week free trial, so a 14-day free trial. And then after that, Shopify has 3 basic plans that you can choose from. Now, in this basic homepage that we have over here, you can see the Add App section. In your Add App section, you can find many dropshipping tools. So for AliExpress tools, I recommend Deezer's, Pocket, and other dropshipping tools as well. So if you open up the Shopify market and you just search for any kind of tool for dropshipping. So if you just search for AliExpress over here, you have AutoDS, you have Deezer's, you have Judge Me, Ali Dropship. Now, what do I recommend? I actually recommend Deezer's. So Deezer's is actually a simple little tool, and they have their website. So you can just go on to Deezers.com, click on try it for free. And they have a free version as well. You don't have to pay to use this at all. And this allows you to take products from AliExpress and customize the listing of that product via Deezers and import it to your Shopify store, all within a couple of clicks, instead of having to, manually contact suppliers, contact your suppliers, and then, when you get orders, having to contact your supplier to fulfill the order, and then getting customer feedback, so on and so forth. So you can automate that entire process using the Deezers tool. And I'm just signing up for Deezers over here. You can see if you already have an account, you can sign in, and you have to just input your email address. And even if you don't have a Deezers account, you can create it with a couple of seconds. So you can create one in a couple of seconds. So I am just creating my account over here. And then after that, it asks you to link to AliExpress. And you can link your e-com store to AliExpress, so you can link to the AliExpress account that you're using as well. And I'm just going to continue on with the Google account that I have. And that is basically going to be the, terms of service. You have to agree to that to grant authorization to their platform to be able to read and, do transactions in between. You can click on authorize. And once everything has been authorized, you can now link your Shopify store. So now what you can see over here, I have a Wix store linked. So what I'm going to do is I'm just go into my settings, and you can see over here, I have my AliExpress account, and then I have my stores over here. I'm going to delete this store. Now, after that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on ahead and reselect the platform. And now I'm going to link to a Shopify store. You're just going to click on Shopify. Now, this will open up the Shopify App Store, and we're going to add the Deezers app to our Shopify store. Now, I want to not use this, but I'm going to click on Add Apps over here. And I'm just connecting it to Deezers. So we're just going to complete this integration. You can see I created my Deezers account in front of you guys. You can do it step by step with this video, and I'm just going to click on install app. So I have Dirt and Clothing, and then the Deezers AliExpress Dropshipping, and I'm just going to click on install application over here. Now, after that, this will ask you which version of Deezers you want. I'm just going to get started with the free version. Click on link to AliExpress, and now I'm going to authorize this, making sure all our authorizations are completed. So it takes less than like 10 minutes to get started. So after that, you can click on let's start importing orders, and now our Shopify and Deezer store have been linked. So we can just skip through this little tutorial bot like so. And now another tip I have for you guys is to actually go ahead and go into the Chrome web store. So if you go into the Chrome web store, you can search for Deezers, and you're just going to click on this application, click on Add to Chrome. And what you can do with this extension is basically directly browse on AliExpress, like so. So I'm just going to pin this and show you guys. So we're just logging into our account to make sure that our extension is working. Now, other than that, if you don't want to go on ahead on AliExpress, but you can see in your Deezers page, you can find all the items that are listed on AliExpress. And if you want to import directly, now you can see our Deezers account has been logged in because I'm logged in via my browser. And you can see I can select any product that I want. So let's say I just want to import this phone case over here. Now what I'm going to do is I can click on Deezers, click on the option. You can choose all shipping or a specific shipping, the currency, and then I can click on import list, and this will be added to my Deezers import list like so. And now if I go ahead and go back to my Deezers homepage, so I'm just going to go back to my Deezers homepage and I can click on my import list. Any of the products that I add via my Deezers extension will also be added over here. So I'm just going to log in. So just taking any product off of AliExpress, you can pretty much do the same thing on Find Suppliers over here, and you get a premium selection of Deezers selected products as well. So let's say I like this product over here, or I like this product. Let's say I want to do the metal clip. So you can see over here, I like this product directly off of AliExpress, and I can click on add to Deezers. And now this is being imported. Now, once it has been imported, I can go into my import list on my Deezers platform, and you can see it has been added. And now if I want to move this to my Shopify store, I can just click on this, click on push to Shopify. Then I have a pricing rule if I want to have a specific pricing rule where I upcharge a specific amount. And then I also have continue selling when out of stock. Let's say I don't want to do that. And I also want to publish this to my online store. Now I can click on push to Shopify. And the reason why I like using the extension is that I can import products directly off of AliExpress. I don't have to go through the Deezers interface to browse the products, because you just find the cheapest or best products directly for the lowest prices on AliExpress. Now you can see if I go into my Shopify product, I did not open Shopify once in this time, but if I go ahead and refresh my product, you can see I added a product in my Shopify store. So I would recommend changing the listing, changing the name of the items, but now you can see I've added all the 4 variants directly into my Shopify store. And if I click on my online store over here, because I selected the option to make it appear on my store as well, you can see that the product is now available on my store as well. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and you are now able to get started with importing products directly from AliExpress to your Shopify store. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.